Hello fellows, we are discussing arithmetic progression exercise 1.3 third main. So today's section I am going to solve the third main sixth question. Look at the question. Given A is 2, B is 8 and Sn is 90. Find n and an. So here they given A means the first term is 2 and the common difference is 8, and they given the sum of nth term, that is 90, and here we want to find out n and an. Is it clear? So let me solve here. So write down given that A is 2, common difference D is 8 and Sn is 90, and as we know that Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, the sum of first nth term formula, this one, right? So here they given Sn is a 90, so 90 equal to n we don't know, keep as it is and divide by 2. 2 into a is 2 plus n minus 1 as it is, and a common difference d is 8. Is it clear? So now here 90 as it is, n by 2 as it is, so 2 into 2 is 4 plus n into 8 8n, and minus 1 into 8 is minus 8, right? So now here 90 equal to n by 2 plus 4 minus 8 become a minus 4, right? So here 8n minus 4. Any doubt here? And now here 90 equal to n by 2 as it is. In these two terms, 2 is a common, so take outside, 2 comes, so 8n become a 4n. 2 into 4n is a 8n, right? Minus, so in that 4, 2 comes outside means remaining 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Any doubt? And now here 2 get cancelled, so write down remaining term. Here is a 90 and this equal to n into 4n become a 4n square, and n into minus 2 is minus 2n. Any doubt here? So now 4n as it is minus 2n as it is, this 90 comes in RHS side, it become a minus 90, right? And this equal to 0. Any doubt here? And now the whole equation is divided by 2. So here 2 ones are 2 twos are, and here 2 get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 45s are. So remaining term 2n square minus n and minus 45, this equal to 0. So look at here, this equation is in the form of a quadratic equation. So here we want in a multiplication 2 into 45 is 90. In a multiplication we want 90, and add or subtract we want minus 1. Multiplication we want minus 90, and add or subtract we want minus 1. So factors are 10 into 9. So 10 nines are 90, and 10 minus 9 is 1, right? So write down here 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45, and this is equal to 0. So now in these two terms 2n is a common, so take outside, 2n comes, remaining term n minus, and in these two terms will take plus 9 common, so remaining, so 9 comes outside means n, and here 9 comes outside means minus 5. 5 into 9 is 45. Is it clear? So this is equal to 0. So now these two terms are common, so take outside n minus 5 and remaining here 2n plus 9. This is equal to 0, right? So now this one we can write n minus 5 equal to 0 or 2n plus 9 equal to 0. And now here n equal to this 5 comes in a RHS side, it become a plus. So n equal to plus, or so here 2n equal to minus 9. This 9 comes in RHS side, it become a minus, and n equal to minus 9 by 2. This 2 comes in RHS side, it become a division. So here we have n equal to 5 or n equal to minus 9 by 2. But as we know that n can neither be negative nor be fraction, therefore n equal to 5 we will consider, right? So n value is 5 here. I now find out an. So n is a 5 means an become a a5, right? We know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here a5 because n is 5 here, right? And a first term they only given, that is 2 plus 5 minus 1, n is 5 here, and a common difference they only given, that is 8. So now 2 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 into 8. This equal to 2 plus 4 into 8 is 32, and 32 plus 2 is 34. So write down conclusion here. So n is 5 and an is an or a5 is 34. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next question. Given a equal to 8 and an equal to 62 and Sn is 210, find n and d. So here they given first term is 8 and an is 62 and Sn is a sum of first nth term. An means a nth term, Sn means a sum of nth term. Is it clear? And here we want to find out n and d. N is a number of terms and d is a common difference. So let me solve here. Given that a is 8, an is 62 and Sn is 210. Is it clear? So as we know that Sn equal to n by 2 a plus an. A plus an or a plus l, both are same here, right? So Sn they only given 210 and this equal to n we don't know, keep as it is, and 2 as it is, and a they only given, that is 8 plus an also they given, that is 62. Any doubt here? So here remaining term is n only, so find out here. So now here 210 as it is and n by 2 as it is, add these two, 8 plus 62 is 70, right? So now 2 ones are 2 35s. Is it clear? So 210 equal to 35 into n, and now here n equal to 210 divided by 35. Is it clear? So 35 ones are 35, 6 are 210, so n equal to 6. Here we got n is 6, and now here we want to find out d, common difference. We know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An value they only given, right? So that is 62, and this equal to a also they given, that is 8 plus n is 6. Just only we find out here 6 minus 1 into d. So now here 62 as it is, this 8 comes in a LHS side, it become a minus, and this equal to 6 minus 1 is 5d, right? And here 62 minus 8 is 54, and this equal to 5d. And now here d equal to 54 by 5. Is it clear? So write down the conclusion here. Therefore n equal to 6 and d is 54 by 5. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next question. Given an is 4, d is 2 and sn is minus 14, find n and a. So here they given an, nth term is a 4 and a common difference is 2, and a sum of nth term is minus 14, and here we want to find out n, the number of terms, and a, first term we want to find out here. So let me solve here. Given that an is 4 and a common difference d is 2 and sn is minus 14, and we know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here they given an, right? So an is 4 and this equal to a, we don't know, keep as it is, plus n minus 1 also as it is, into d they only given, that is 2. So now here 4 is equal to a plus n into 2 is 2n, and a minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Is it clear? 4 as it is, this 2 comes in a LHS side, it become a plus 2, and this 2n comes in a LHS side, it become a minus 2n, and this equal to a as it is. So now here 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 2n equal to a. Therefore a equal to 6 minus 2n. Call this equation 1. Is it clear? And now we know that Sn equal to n by 2 a plus an, right? Sn value also they given, so I will take here Sn equal to n by 2 a plus an. Is it clear? So Sn they given minus 14, and this equal to n we don't know, keep as it is, n by 2 plus a, first term also we don't know, we have to find out that one, so keep as it is, and an they given, that is 4. Is it clear? So now minus 14 as it is, and this 2 comes in a LHS side, it become a multiplication, and this equal to n in a bracket a plus 4, right? And now here make these two multiplication, we got minus 28, and this equal to n as it is, and here we have a, instead of this a we can write 6 minus 2n. Look at here, a is 6 minus 2n, right? So by using equation 1 we can write here 6 minus 2n plus 4 as it is. Is it clear? So from equation 1. Any doubt? And now here minus 28 as it is, and this equal to n 6 plus 4 is 10 minus 2n. So now minus 28 as it is, n into 10 is 10n and n into minus 2n is minus 2n square. Now bring these two terms in a LHS side. So it will become here minus 2n square become a plus 2n square and 10n become a minus 10n and a minus 28 as it is, and this equal to 0. Is it clear? So now this whole equation is divided by 2. So here we got n square minus 5n minus 14 equal to 0. So look at the equation here. It is in the form of quadratic equation, right? So here we want to find out a factors. In a multiplication we want a minus 14 and add or subtract we want minus 5. So two factors are 7 and 2. 7 2s are 14 and 7 minus 2 is 5, right? So write down here n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 and this equal to 0. Minus 7 into 2 is a minus 14. Minus 7 plus 2 become a minus 5. Is it clear? And now in these two terms I will take common n. So remaining n minus 7. And here in these two terms I will take a common 2. So remaining n minus 7 and this equal to 0 as it is. And now these two terms are common. Take outside n minus 7. So remaining term n plus 2 and this equal to 0. So here n minus 7 equal to 0 or n plus 2 equal to 0. And now n equal to this minus 7 comes in RHS side, it become a plus, or n this 2 comes in RHS side, it become a minus 2, right? So here we have two n values, but as we know that n cannot be negative, so therefore I will consider n equal to 7. Is it clear? And we want to find out here first term, right? So therefore from equation 1 we obtain. So what is our equation 1? So look at here, equation 1 is a equal to 6 minus 2n. So equation 1 is a equal to 6 minus 2n. We have n value, so substitute here 6 minus 2, n is 7, right? So now here 6 minus 2 into 7 is 14. So 6 minus 14 become a minus 8. So a is minus 8. So write down the conclusion here. Therefore n is 7 and a is minus 8. Is it clear? So well students, look at the next question. A is 3, n is 8 and s is 192. Find D. So here the given first term is 3 and n number of term is 8 and s they given 192, and here we want to find out D, right? So let me solve here. Given A is 3, n is 8 and s is 192. As we know that Sn equal to n by 2, 2 into A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So S value they given how much? 192, and this equal to n value also they given 8 by 2 and 2 into A is 3 plus n is 8 minus 1 into d, we don't know, keep as it is. Is it clear? So now 2 1s are 2, 4s are 8. So write down remaining term 192 4. So 2 into 3 is 6. 8 minus 1 is 7 into d. So here 4 1s are 4, 48s are 192. So write down remaining term here 48 equal to 6 plus 70. So now 48 as it is, this 6 comes in a LHS side, it becomes a minus 6, and this equal to 70. So here 48 minus 6 is 42 equal to 7d, right? So here 7 1s are 7, 6 are 42. So d is 6. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next question. Given L is 28 and S is 144 and there are total 9 terms, find A. So here they given L is 28, it means the last term, AN or L, 28, and S is 144 and there are 9 terms, it means N is a 9 and we want to find out first term, that is A, right? So let me solve here. Write down given L is 28 and S is 144 and N is 9. Is it clear? And as we know, Sn equal to N by 2 A plus L. A plus L or A plus An, both are same here, right? So S value they given how much? 144 and this equal to N is 9 because there are 9 terms and divided by 2 and A we don't know, keep as it is, and L is 28. Is it clear? So now, so here 9 1s are 9, 9 16s are 144, right? So here 16 into 2, this 2 comes in a LHS side, it become a multiplication and this equal to A plus 28. Any doubt here? 9 1s are 9, 9 16s are 144, 16 remaining and this 2 comes in a LHS side, it become a multiplication and remaining term A plus 28, right? So now make these two multiplication, we got 32 and this equal to A plus 28 and now 32, this 28 comes in a LHS side, it become a minus 28 and this equal to A. So A equal to 4. A is 4. Is it clear?